the 2S5 Gyatson test is shown in action. Newly released footage shows a VT-40 FPV drone operator tracking and intercepting a Ukrainian armed forces troop rotation moving on an ATV towing a trailer. The drone follows the vehicle at low altitude, maintaining a steady approach while adjusting its path based on real-time visuals. A Russian FPV drone remains concealed in the middle of a field as 3 Ukrainian ATVs pass at speed. The operator then launches and quickly locks onto the nearest ATV, initiating a precision engagement. Russian FPV drone units conduct active combat operations in the Kupiansk sector, supporting frontline activities with aerial surveillance and precision engagement capabilities. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone operator identifies Ukrainian armed forces personnel positioned among wood debris within a forest belt in the Sumy region. The Zaporizhzhia front. 2 Ukrainian soldiers walked past an armed drone in standby mode. They noticed the device but did not react to it. Shortly afterward, the situation escalated. From a Russian perspective, a Lancet loitering munition engages and disables a Ukrainian Cougar H vehicle in the Dnipro region near Oleksivka as part of ongoing drone-led operations. From a Russian perspective, elements of the 25th Army deploy a fiber-optic FPV drone positioned in ambush to engage Ukrainian armed forces personnel traveling in the cargo area of a vehicle. The drone is launched at the right moment, using a stable fiber optic link to maintain control and accurately track the moving target. Two Ukrainian drone operators moved to recover a Baba Yaga drone after it had completed its mission inside a structure. However, a Russian FPV drone was positioned nearby, waiting in ambush. Upon hearing the distinct hum of the approaching drone, the operators attempted to withdraw from the area, but one was ultimately taken captive. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone equipped with thermal vision targets a Ukrainian Armed Forces Tatra 815-7 heavy logistics vehicle carrying personnel in the rear compartment. Russian forces are conducting an operation to secure a Ukrainian Armed Forces stronghold in Belubka, near Kupiansk, where one soldier was taken into custody after surrendering. A drone operator coordinated the assault units, providing real-time aerial intelligence to support their advance. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and support the channel with a like and subscription. A Russian fiber-optic FPV drone, positioned in ambush, suddenly takes off at night, catching a Ukrainian Armed Forces soldier off guard as it moves to engage the target. From a Russian perspective, units of the North Akhmet alongside the 78th Motor Rifle Regiment are shown conducting coordinated combat operations in the Konstantinovsky direction, combining artillery support with FPV drone activity. The footage highlights how artillery units work in tandem with drone operators, using aerial reconnaissance to identify targets and adjust fire in real time. FPV drones are deployed to track movements, provide immediate situational awareness, and support precision engagements against Ukrainian armed forces positions. This coordination allows for a more efficient operational approach, where drones act as forward observers, guiding artillery strikes and maintaining continuous oversight of the battlefield. The material reflects the increasing integration of unmanned systems with traditional fire support units, enhancing responsiveness and accuracy in active combat zones. Russian FPV drone units carry out a series of coordinated precision strikes targeting a Ukrainian tank, an armored recovery vehicle, and additional armored platforms in the Kharkov region. The footage shows multiple drone operators working in sequence, identifying and tracking vehicles across different positions before initiating engagements. Using real-time video feeds, operators guide the drones toward their targets with careful adjustments, maintaining stability and accuracy throughout the approach. The strikes appear to focus on key vehicle components, aiming to reduce mobility and operational effectiveness while minimizing the need for prolonged engagement. These operations reflect the growing reliance on FPV drone systems in modern warfare, where relatively low-cost platforms are used to counter high-value military assets. The Kharkov sector continues to see frequent drone activity, with both sides adapting tactics and protective measures in response to the increasing presence of unmanned aerial systems on the battlefield. From a Russian perspective, units of the Vostok Group's 57th Guards Motor Rifle Brigade deploy a fiber-optic FPV drone to engage a Ukrainian armed forces tanker vehicle in the Zaporizhia region. The vehicle appears to be fitted with anti-drone protection, reflecting ongoing adaptations to aerial threats. The drone's fiber-optic guidance provides a stable connection resistant to electronic interference, allowing for precise tracking of the moving target. Thermal vision further enhances target identification in challenging visibility conditions. From a Russian perspective, this footage covers multiple operational directions, including Donbass, the Graveron direction, and the Krasny Lyman sector, showcasing a range of coordinated frontline activities. The material highlights drone surveillance, artillery support, and air defense efforts working in tandem to monitor and respond to Ukrainian armed forces movements. Units are shown tracking infantry positions, guiding strikes with real-time aerial intelligence, and maintaining situational awareness across active sectors. Air defense elements are also featured, focusing on detecting and countering aerial threats, while ground units coordinate engagements based on drone-provided targeting data. The footage reflects a multi-layered approach to operations, combining reconnaissance, precision engagement, and defensive measures across several key directions. From a Russian perspective, this extended footage presents a comprehensive look at drone operators working across multiple active sectors, including Donbass, Krasny Lyman, the Sumy region, and the Belgorod direction in the Kharkov area. The video offers a broad overview of how unmanned systems are being integrated into ongoing frontline operations. Throughout the material, drone teams are shown conducting continuous aerial surveillance, identifying movement on the ground, and relaying real-time intelligence to supporting units. Operators maintain steady control over FPV platforms, tracking positions and guiding precision engagements while adapting to changing battlefield conditions. In several segments, coordination between drone operators and fire support elements is clearly visible. Aerial reconnaissance is used to direct artillery and adjust targeting, ensuring more accurate and timely responses. Air defense units are also featured, monitoring the skies and responding to incoming aerial threats, demonstrating a layered approach to battlefield awareness and protection. The footage highlights the intensity and scale of drone activity across these regions, where multiple teams operate simultaneously to maintain coverage and operational pressure. Each sector presents different terrain and tactical challenges, yet the consistent use of drone technology underscores its growing importance in modern warfare. Overall, the video captures the evolving nature of combat operations, where unmanned systems, artillery coordination, and air defense integration work together to support frontline objectives and maintain control over key directions.